All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video we are potentially getting our first runs in with the ESS G3R supercharged Shelby GT350 on the 105mm pulley. Now, as you can see, the weather's kind of bad. It just started to mist out of nowhere. A lot of guys came down from San Antonio, Dallas to run. Got the homie with the S650. He looks upset. How you feeling, man?
All I gotta say, I feel bad for these people coming from San Antonio.
Yeah.
I feel bad.
Yeah, this is cooked. I think it's cooked tonight.
Because I mean, it might clear up in 25 minutes, but that's not far.
Yeah, we might be cooked, y'all, for real. We'll see.
You can see it. It's literally, literally misting.
Yeah, we might be cooked, y'all. We'll see. We'll see what's going down. Houston in a nutshell, man. It was supposed to be sunny, dry, and all of a sudden it just starts to mist and the ground's all wet. Oh my god, it's this humidity. That's what it is. It was cold, then it just got to 70 degrees out of nowhere. At least high 60s. Oh shit. So we'll see, y'all. We'll see what's going down tonight. I'm gonna pull up to this spot. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna pull up to this spot, just say what's up to the homies, and I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home and go play some Warzone. I ain't gonna lie. That car is literally all wet. I am so glad I did not get my car detailed today. I would have been pissed. I would have wasted my money. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see what's up at this location. I highly doubt something's gonna go down though, because shit ain't safe. I'll tell you this right now. If the ground is wet over there, I ain't running my car. It already spins when the ground is dry. I mean, forget it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so unfortunately, last night was a bust. There was too much mist. It was too damp outside. So, it's the next day, and we are headed out to an early morning cars and coffee. This one apparently is pretty nice, even though the weather doesn't look that good. I was told it's pretty nice. We'll see exactly what's going down. Might as well pop out for like an hour or so. The car is absolutely dirty because of last night. I was really looking forward to getting some runs in too. It is what it is. Gonna have to wait till probably the next couple of days, potentially next weekend, but I think the weather's gonna be bad again. I don't know. It's Houston, man. It was literally supposed to be sunny, no rain, nothing yesterday, and then all of a sudden some humidity hit and it just turned into a splash pad. Oh well. That's literally the reality of living in Houston. It could be sunny, dry 1 minute, and then the next it's raining, or whatever the hell it was yesterday. Mist. Honestly, it was worse than when it was raining. Like, it was bad. Like, I don't know. Oh well. Oh well. Just gonna be cruising the car because the ground, I can guarantee, was still kind of damp because it's not warm. And it was cool last night, so we're gonna have to literally let it cool off for like probably, I don't know, like a day or two for it to actually be dry, so it's safe to do hits. It's damp over here. I literally can see it. Like, the areas where the sun is not hitting, it's damp. Under this bridge. start seeing a line of cars leaving, I'm gonna be like, oh no, that would be bad. around. Oh no, there's some cars here. Some people have started to leave, I can tell though. Oh no, there's a good amount of cars here actually. Since my car is like completely filthy, I'll just park this shit in the back. Nah, you're good, you're good, you're good. I'll just park my shit in the back. What up, bro? My car be staying dirty on camera, man. That's how you know I drive it, though. I'll just put it right here. Oh, man. It's funny because, like, whenever I just drive regularly, it's like, it's always kind of hard to get the car out of gear. I don't know why it's like that. I mean, I know why it's like that. I didn't break the clutch in properly, but it is what it is. I'm literally just gonna ride this Vengeance Stage 2 clutch out until it starts to slip. And then I'm gonna take it out, get the transmission built, and go that route. Apparently there's another meet people are going to right now. That's what I need. 7D right there. Soon, soon, soon. That color too. Yeah, GR86.
I'll get on it, but I'm not like pouring it. I'll just let it rev out.
Oh shit, look at this.
It's me letting it rev out, not just letting it right here.
We got a ProCharge S650. This is actually pretty badass. It's on P1X. Oh shit. This is sick. Dang, that's sick. That's pretty sick.
Huh?
That's sick. That's the first one I seen. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Yo. Okay, this is sick. C8 ZR1. This color is crazy. Damn. This is crazy. I like this color too. My God. Wow. C8s, man. Looks good. Woo. Them C8 vets. They're low-key growing on me. I didn't like the S550s when they came out. Look at me now. A6, nice too. Let it out?
No, we're fucking right here.
Alright. Yes, sir. You got the spinners on there. This V is nice too, I like that. Okay, I like this. I really like this. I really like this, I ain't gonna lie. This is clean. Damn. This Integra is clean. Oh man. I low-key want one of these because most of the ones you see are clapped, but this is clean on the RP of ones too. I like this. I don't know, I like stuff like this. You gotta appreciate when somebody keeps that up, you know, to speed, up to date, and they don't let it just, you know, wither away with time. Holy shit. Yeah, let's two swap this. This is badass. 325 Ci LS2 swapped. Holy fuck, this is actually sick. I was not expecting to see this. It's tight in the engine bay, but that's pretty sick. I like that. You can put those LS's in anything for real. Oh, there's a Viper over there. That F-150 is clean. C6. This is pretty sick right here. This color is crazy. Oh my gosh. Twin turbo Viper on HREs.
Right.
Z06.
Might have a 15. Lower diameter or whatever.
She got another one. She bought another one. No.
This is a badass swap. I like this a lot too. Shaved the engine bay, cleaned it up. This is badass. I like this. Coated the headers as well in there. 4x seats and some manual. This is nice. Somebody took their time with this. Alright, we're headed out to a different location right now. I hear that race valve. Yes, sir. I hear that race valve. That shit sounds crazy. There's a BMW coming up hot. Hold on. Let me get out this guy's way. Oh yeah, I feel like a dick right now. I'm trying to get my homie some rollers and shit, and there's a BMW that's like, yeah, that dude looks pissed. Yeah, he looks pissed. All right. Alright, we got two Cobras right here. A DSG and a Redfire. I think this is Redfire. I could be wrong. Damn. Ooh. Mark 4. That thing is badass. cars, man. This Supra's clean. I still would take a Supra, I ain't gonna lie. Right here. There's some nice rides here, I ain't gonna lie. All right, way later in the day, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Those Cars and Coffee meets actually turned out pretty good in my personal opinion. Let me know down in the comment section, what was your favorite car? Sorry that we didn't get any runs in. The weather is just garbage. It should be good this weekend, it should be, but I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx it. So if you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, stay safe out there, y'all. Catch you guys in the next vid. Deuces.